In today's video, I'm going to teach you purchasing a Lebara plan is simple and flexible. First things first, make sure your Lebara SIM is active. A quick way to check is to place a call, send a text, or toggle mobile data and see if it connects. If you're planning to pay by top-up credit rather than a bank card, also confirm you have enough balance. You can check this in the My Lebara app or on the website for your country. Next, choose how you want to buy your plan. If you prefer doing it online, head to the official Lebara website for your country, pick the plan that suits you, and pay securely with a credit or debit card. This route is great if you want to read the fine print, compare options side by side, and make sure you're on the correct country page, as prices and inclusions can vary. If you already have the My Lebara app, you can log in and purchase directly from there. The app is convenient for tracking your remaining data, minutes, and texts, and it often remembers your preferred payment method, which speeds things up. Make sure your app is updated so you see the latest plans and promotions. You can also buy a plan via SMS. For this, top up your account first, then text the specific plan code to the designated Lebara shortcode. You'll find plan codes on the website or in the app. After you send the message, you should receive a confirmation text when the plan is successfully applied. Standard SMS charges may apply depending on your plan and location. Most Lebara plans run on a 30-day cycle with no contract, which keeps things flexible. In many regions, plans include 5G access, but availability depends on your local network and your phone's compatibility. If 5G is important to you, check the coverage map for your area and confirm your device supports it. For a set and forget experience, consider turning on automatic renewal using SEPA or PayPal. This helps you avoid running out of calls, texts, or data unexpectedly. You can manage, pause, or cancel auto-renewal at any time before your next cycle starts, and it won't lock you into a long-term commitment. Once your purchase is complete, your plan becomes active right away. You'll have immediate access to calls, texts, and mobile data. If you don't see the change instantly, try toggling airplane mode or restarting your phone. Then open the My Lebara app to confirm your allowances and keep an eye on your usage. If you're traveling, double-check any roaming terms and fair use limits so there are no surprises. That's it, simple, flexible, and ready when you are. If you ever need help, the website support pages and in-app help are there to guide you.